Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we take you back to Friday night, September 14th, 1962, to Tamaqua, Pennsylvania, Tamaqua High School Stadium, for the game between the Red Tornadoes of Mount Carmel Joint High School and the Tamaqua Blue Raiders. And the starting lineup for the visiting Mount Carmel Joint High School Red Tornadoes. At left end, number 51, Ron Wasilewski. Left tackle, 61, Dennis Pachkowski. Left guard, number 72, John Machalko. Center, number 81, Wayne Rona. At right guard, number 73, Ken Chitroma. At right tackle, number 62, Mike Chappell. Right end, number 52, Pete Salonis. At the quarterback, number 17, Ronnie Grossman. Left halfback, number 26, Joey Greco. Right halfback, number 20, Jim McFadden. And at fullback, number 21, Robert Menapace. And the remainder of the Red Tornadoes 1962 squad. Head coach of the Red Tornadoes, Joseph Jazz Diminick. Assistant coaches, Francis Menapace, George Rona, and Charles Carlo. Athletic Director Glenn Menges, and the Principal Vince McHale. And now the starting lineup for the Tamaqua Blue Raiders. At left end, number 32, Klutz. The left tackle, number 76, Flail. Left guard, number 46, Lindenmuth. Center, number 41, Wachowski. Number 55, the right guard, Rovner. Right tackle, number 74, Titus. Right end, number 72, Sotak. The quarterback, number 27, Semko. At left halfback, number 30, Mike Mickruck. At 33, the right halfback, Jones. And number 75, fullback, Barron. And the remainder of the Tamaqua Blue Raiders squad for 1962. Coaching staff of the Blue Raiders: head coach Dick Jones, assistant coach Harry Fetterman, assistant coach Sam Pagano, and the JV coach Walt Lagenza. Athletic director Ed Penzura. The officials for tonight's game: referee Norris, umpire Karowski, head linesman Rakowski, and the field judge Masenka. The final score tonight, the Mount Carmel High School Joint Red Tornadoes 12, the Tamaqua High School Blue Raiders 13.